Oh, this is not a good picture of me. Good morning, vlog. We're going to Tofino. It's 6 a.m. because we have to hop on the ferry, which is a 2-hour drive to the ferry, and then another 2 hours on the ferry, and then another 2 hours to get to Tofino. Is my math right? We're all ready to go. I don't know where she's going.
All the way to Marine Drive, then
it's so dark.
Right on 70th.
We have a stowaway.
Okay.
Driving skill testing.
Stay in the pylons.
Swing more. If a truck can do it, I can do it.
That's the mentality. Actually so windy. Oh, oh, should we go?
Yeah, we'll wait for the next one.
This reminds me of the cruise. Yo, this is really nice.
God, I feel like Jack. Hold on. Oh, it's so pretty!
This is not like this is.
But you could go clam picking. Meal at home. It's doable. I told mom, like, you just eat.
Let's go look upstairs, Emmy.
What is my checklist?
Fun? I like this room. We'll take this one. Wait, I don't get it. Where's everyone else supposed to sleep, Rainy? This is only 2 beds. Oh, I could be in here. All 3 of us could be in here. We're all in here, guys.
I'll move on purpose now.
We'll be us 3 in here.
Snuggle fest. Snuggle. Hey,
I guess that's the sofa bed?
I can sit here too.
No, Emmy and Dorothy.
No.
No, we're with Brittany now.
Brittany.
Mom and Dad take the master.
Excuse me? Why do we get?
Because you didn't say anything. You didn't say
You were there.
All our stuff is up there too.
Well, we'll alternate again.
Oh.
So tonight you guys can do up there. Tomorrow it's Jackie and I.
Guys, she's 30 and she's making us alternate.
I think.
Yes, we alternate. It's only fair.
No.
What a bro.
Oh, the air smells so fresh, Dad.
There's no hiking, hallelujah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, somebody's looking at It's God.
Same as Emily. Huh? Emily is sleeping. Just give you a warning. This is stop it.
Okay, what's the construction here?
Where is the construction?
I've never been so happy to be moving in a car.
I'm so tired. One lane. Oh, look how pretty that is. Almost down,
Look
Dad.
at all this construction. Now look at this.
Look at the view, though. Wow, look at this view. Pretty, and we're right beside it.
This is where we're whaling, and that's where we could have brunch tomorrow.
We're off to dinner now after our long car ride in Tofino, and we couldn't even get tacos because that line was so long. Now we're off to dinner. I'll tell you how it goes after. Funky Hotel. Alright, we're waiting for dinner now because they're not open yet. Oh my god, baby, please, can we do a TikTok in here? I'm going pee. Human.
Oh, there's a urinal in that one, so that's probably meant.
What? Human. Ashley drove the whole way. For someone who hasn't driven in over 2 years. People ran out. They saw us. How cute! They're little dolphins. I think these are adorable. Catch you? How am I supposed to catch you?
Thing from She's the Man. I see a kitten.
You do it. Go! Hurry up! And then Dorothy could be the little girl who goes, okay? Ready and action.
I see a kitten. Gasping for air.
If we don't go today, tomorrow I want two tacos.
Eyes are always big. What? I'm gonna get 4 times. Have you not been told about
Made in China?
Made it where?
British.
Oh,
Or candy salmon or cold smoked salmon, tuna tartare, some grilled prawns, and some cold smoked tuna. Enjoy, you guys.
Oh, the sound is hollow. It's good.
And then on top of the spuds that is charcoal dust, it is so delicious. Do you like ketchup with your spuds?
No, thank you.
And then this, if you'd like, can help some more of the steak there. And I'll grab a little spoon.
Oh no.
Crushed it. She's still trying to crush it. What is happening?
I'm gonna get you.
How old are we?
Where'd you go?
You can't run! You can't hide! I don't understand. That was funny.
I honestly, we were going around this way so many times, and when I switched back this way, I was like, whoa.
Can you go on the dolphin? You put your feet right there. And put your feet on the pedals. Put the feet on the pedals. Go. What happened?
I was calling it too
Okay, let's see your turn. Go down. Okay. Zaki like flung it. Let me try. Your problem, Zach. Ow, this hurts my.
No, you have to go back. No.
That freaking hurt.
Okay, ready?
Ow, this hurts my bum.
Don't sit on the fender.
Zaki, I don't like it. You're gonna break it.
No, put your feet on the pedal now.
Zaki, my bum hurts. Ow.
Yeah,
It hurts.
Ready? Back. Forward again. And then you go forward.
This is how you break things. We just finished dinner and now we're trying to walk it off because Dorothy wants tacos from Taco Fino still. Oh, we're not getting tacos anymore? Oh, we're not getting Taco Fino anymore. We're gonna go all the way back now. It's a 2-hour drive all the way back to the Airbnb. Tomorrow we're gonna go whale watching and walking around Tofino.
There is no going around. I told you, get back in there.